Most people would consider accountancy to be a high-risk job. After all, accountants don't face the same dangers as a firefighter running into a burning building. But risk in the workplace comes in all shapes and sizes. It's not always about physical hazards. Accountants have to deal with an intense and heavy workload and the pressure of deadlines, especially towards the year end. All this against a backdrop of trying to increase billable hours. This can result in severe stress, which is a common and growing problem in accountancy firms. Stress threatens the mental health of the employee, meaning they cannot function at their best. This harms the performance of the firm through lost billable hours, more pressure on management to deal with the HR challenge, higher staff turnover and damage to the firm's reputation. In my 9 years as an accountant, I have had many problems in my career. I have learned a lot about each problems. So I invented new ways to avoid repeating them. Many of the new ways are made with the help of the Microsoft Excel. This has increased the efficiency of my work and helped me complete my work in office hours. Everything I bring to you in this channel at different programs are a lot more than what I used to do in my accounting career. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.